Hello, Namaskar. I'm Devyani Deshmukh Upasni, and on behalf of Indian Society of Landscape Architects, ISOLA Mumbai chapter, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 8th cycle of SD Vaidya Memorial Lecture Series. For the viewers who have joined us for the first time, let me briefly talk about ISOLA. ISOLA is a professional body of landscape architects established in 2003. The society has members from different states of the country and some across the world, and is at the forefront in creating global awareness about the fast emerging profession of landscape architecture and promoting and enhancing the professional excellence amongst its members in India. ISOLA has a local representation in the Mumbai MMR region in the form of Mumbai chapter. The ISOLA Mumbai chapter has been involved in various academic as well as social activities since the past few years. In concurrence with its aim of creating awareness about the profession of landscape architecture within both the profession itself as well as public at large, the ISOLA Mumbai chapter has instituted the SD Vaidya Memorial Lecture Series commemorating late Sri SD Vaidya, who accomplished landscape and ecological development of various atomic centers in association with Dr. Homi Bhabha. He collaborated with several consultancies for landscaping of numerous government projects at national and state level. The oeuvre left behind by him when he passed away in 2011 remains relatively undocumented and unknown. The purpose of instituting this lecture series was to reacquaint the public at large and professionals in particular with the legacy and create a forum to interact with some of the best minds and practices today in the field of landscape architecture as well as allied fields. The inaugural lecture of SD Vaidya Memorial Lecture Series was organized in November 2013. Every year, we have strived to have discussions on topic of environmental importance and relevance to the society at large and create a healthy discussion and debate by inviting experts not only from the field of landscape architecture but also from allied fields, thus putting forth various aspects, views, understandings of the said topic. This year, the lecture series focuses on the theme Landscapes and Well-being. We are keen to explore the links between the two seemingly distinct areas of landscape or nature and well being through multiple lenses, such as landscapes and well being, landscapes for well being of landscapes, and the lenses continue. The intent of the lecture series is to focus on bringing forth the overlap between the two realms and what could be the possible learnings from the same, with an intention of bringing forth the perspectives from various fields about the topic. We have an extremely diverse panel of eminent speakers who will be taking us through an amazing journey of their thoughts, ideas, research, understanding, work about the relationship between landscape and well being. The last year has been a challenging year for all of us in terms of our well being, and what better way to move forward than to understand the various aspects related to nature and how do they affect us and our well being through the medium of these talks by the experts. Let me very briefly run you through the very interesting panel of eminent speakers. We begin the talk by our very own member, landscape architect Nupur Pratik Khanna, who speaks about where the profession of landscape architecture sits in the larger realm of well-being and why landscape architects need to be in forefront for creating the right environment for changing world and a new normal. The next speaker in the list, Cecil Konandek, who with his extensive experience in the field of urban forestry and nature-based solution, talks about a very important aspect which is missing in our city lives. The talk focuses on urban forests and their relevance in our highly stressed lives and how even a single tree in the urban setting can impact the well-being of people. The next speaker in the list, Nitin Das, a filmmaker par excellence, focuses on the healing forests of India and the art of Shririn Yoko, or forest bathing. He takes us through the varied forests of India and discusses his journey as a filmmaker, capturing the wonders of the forest. He also further elaborates on the impact of forest bathing on the well-being of human beings and vice versa. We then have Padmanabh Iyer, known to his friends as Paddy, an engineer who forayed into the world of advertisement and specifically the advertisement in health sector. His talk focuses on the role of landscape imagery in the world of advertisement and the reason why landscape setting form an integral part of the advertising world while propagating wellness. Dr. Titiksha Kubal, a consulting psychiatrist and wellness physician, in a talk explains the scientific reasoning behind how nature or landscape impacts the human psyche and why it is extremely important to maintain a connect with nature for our overall well being. She thus shares another important facet of the beautiful relationship between landscape and nature and our well being through the lens of medical science. Last but not the least are Sampada and Rahul Kulkarni, a well settled couple with successful careers in the thriving city of Mumbai, who left behind the city life to shift to a small village in Konkan and have learned to live a life in sync with nature. They take us through their amazing journey and how they have acclimatized to the shift, the impact on their well being, and the joys the new landscape of their life has bestowed upon them. I'm sure that all of you will enjoy the journey of discovering new facets of connection between landscape and well being with all the eminent panelists. Tomorrow onwards, we'll be sharing a talk of one speaker every day on our YouTube channel. The last session of the event, which brings together all the panelists on stage, or rather, as the new normal is on the screen, is a panel discussion and question answer session which will be conducted on 28th March at 4 p.m. and will be moderated by Shilpa Bakshi Chandavarkar and me. And we will be live streaming it on our YouTube channel. I hope that all of you enjoy the lecture series as much as we at Isula Mumbai enjoyed the making of it, and it helps you to gain a broader understanding about the relevance of landscapes for our well being. With this, I once again welcome you to the 8th cycle of SD Vaidya Memorial Lecture Series and wish you a happy journey today onwards into the beautiful realm of landscape and well being with the wonderful co passengers Nupur, Cecil, Nitin, Paddy, Dr. Titiksha, Rahul, and Sampada. Until we meet again, hope you have a wonderful journey. See you on the 28th. Thank you.